DI diagram. Identify optimization potential quickly. The DI diagram is an efficient tool for uncovering optimization potential within your logistics processes. First, let's explore the diagram. For this, navigate to the task menu and pick the DI chart. The chart shows the number of transports per year on the y-axis and the distance of transport on the x-axis. For a most efficient process, it's always best to give transport routes with high transport numbers a low transport distance and vice versa, meaning a data point like here in the top right should be adjusted for efficiency. When we click on a data point, the transport route gets highlighted automatically. The red curve indicates the effort barrier. Moving the data point along this red line will not change the transport effort. Moving into the red zone will make it worse, and moving it further into the white area will improve the effort. Now let's make some improvements. By opening the logistics evaluation, we can visibly see the optimization when we shift elements in our layout. For instance, moving a pallet to the right or swapping machines can drastically enhance our process. If you want to see the transport route in a visual way, you can open the 3D view and have the camera go through the route when clicking the button tracking shot.